Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Recently I found a picture of beautiful eye makeup on Pinterest and today I'll be trying to recreate it. I would show it, but I don't know if I'm allowed. I'm not authorized by the author, but I do my best to recreate it as faithfully as I can. We are starting from eyes, and as a base I'm applying creamy eyeshadow from Maybelline in shade Crème de Nude. The lightest shadow which I'm going to apply on upper eyelid, not counting matte light beige shadow applied on brow bone, is this orange from Sofix Extra Spice palette, which is called Sweet and Sour, and I'm applying it using fluffy brush. I put duct tape in order to achieve sharp edge of blending. Next, I'm highlighting my brow bone with very light matte shadow from 10th Anniversary palette by Kat Von D. By the way, beautiful colors and the pigmentation on the highest level. Second shade, which I'm gonna apply in my crease, is this intense pinkish red shadow from Revolution Sofix palette. Its name is 21. And I'm also blending it in my crease with fluffy brush. It is Zoeva Luxe Crease brush number 228. Now I'm deepening my crease with one more shade from the range of reddish brownish colors. It is terracotta color from Inglot number 296. Here I've decided to change the brush into more precise one. I'm adding more sweet and sour shade on the edge of blending. Now with the same brush I'm applying all over my lids a beautiful color which is the mix of terracotta and I don't know, cherry color. It is Mercure brand, a single matte eyeshadow, and it is called Lilith. Close to my lash line I'm gonna apply the mix of two shadows from Morphe 39A palette. They are called Passion and Forever. This cheap eyeshadow brush from Rossmann collection is very comfortable and quite good quality. I'm really surprised. It has one more precise end, sort of pencil brush, and the other end is more fluffy in order to blend applied shadows well. I'm very satisfied with it and I'm going to keep using it. I'm cleaning the edge a little after getting the tape off with micellar cleansing water. And now it's time for glitter gold eyeliner, but this time I'm gonna apply it not along the lash line, but on the edge of blending and in my crease more or less. I love these glitter eyeliners from Golden Rose. I think there are no other such good glitter eyeliners in so attractive price level. Next, I'm curling my lashes to hide them well among false lashes. I'm darkening upper waterline with black kohl pencil. The false lashes I love, despite the fact they are so difficult to get, are Wispy's number 113 from Adele, but necessarily in new style. Wispy's 113 in old version don't give such a spectacular effect. Of course, as usually, I'm applying them in the form of prepared clusters. I'm trying to put them as close to my lash line as I can due to the lack of eyeliner there. Now, now it's time for my complexion. That day, as a base under foundation, I used very nourishing eye cream from Bobbi Brown and the moisturizer from Kiehl's. And I decided to resign from any specialized base under foundation. As a foundation, I've chosen L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours Matte Foundation. It's quite good drugstore foundation, but for my mature skin it has a little too matte finish. However, I will always value it for its long wear properties and good coverage. To cover my under eye cycles, I used the mix of Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in shade Light Medium and Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in shade Porcelain. I'm setting under eye area with translucent powder from Golden Rose, leaving the rest of face not set due to matte finish of the foundation I used. Now we are getting back to eyes and lower eyelids. As a first shade, I'm applying the mix of this apricot and mustard shadow from Revolution palette, and I'm blending. Here I've noticed that my pigmentation spot hasn't been covered enough, and I've decided to add a concealer in this place. Now it is Golden Rose HD Concealer. I have it in very light shade, and due to this light shade, only this concealer is able to cover the spot. As a second shade for my lower lids is this green shadow, and it is also from Revolution palette, and I'm also applying it lightly, trying to blend it well. To add a little bit of contrast, I'm applying black kohl pencil to my lower waterline up to half of its length. And now bronzing my face, nothing new, just one of my favorite bronzing powders from Pirene. In my inner corners, I'm applying this foil metallic gold shadow called Gina. It's from Kat Von D palette. As far as lips, also nothing new, just a combination of matte lipstick from Lovely brand in shade Magic Desert and matte lip paint from L'Oreal in shade 208. But in case of highlighter on my face, I went wild that day. I've enhanced the level of highlight that we can achieve using Revolution Glow Palette, adding So Shimmering highlighter called OMG from Davina Cosmetics brand. But I'm warning you, it has very visible flecks of glitter and it is rather more suitable for making some accents on eyelids or for body highlighting than for face, but I don't care, makeup is for fun. And what do you think, guys, about makeup? Do you also make it for fun and to express your deeply hidden artistic soul? I hope you all had a good time watching this video. If you haven't done this yet, please subscribe to my channel to be up to date with my activity. And yes, see you soon in my next videos. Love you guys, bye!